Okay, Mr. Hans Marie Bhushan.
Somebody told me the definition of customer is कष्ट से जो मर जाए वो customer. Jokes apart. Thank you. Thank you ISGF and thank you everyone for braving the corona threat and assembling here today. So while coming I was thinking like whether everybody will be coming or not, but glad to see that the hall is full and we are here. So we are a smart gas metering company based out of Delhi, and we are looking at customer delight from a utility perspective of how to take this challenge, because it's a long-term challenge. It's not a short-term vision, and in this long term, they have to put up some solutions which are smart. So what we have developed is a dashboard model for CGDs, in which basically what they can do, all the consumer side metering can be brought into a single dashboard, wherein all the meters, any brands, any make meters, and different technologies of meters can be communicated over and brought to a single area, where consumer billing, consumer indexing, consumer address verification, progress indicators of the various performance key areas can be brought into a single dashboard. So this dashboard not only helps in deploying the meters, but also in understanding the typical issues that will occur during the life cycle of the period that the customers are going to use the technology. So currently, we are seeing that the exponential growth of CGD market is inviting more and more smart metering players. So earlier it was more and more mechanical meters. To give you a small story, like when we were very young, so we used to pay electricity bills of around 200 rupees or 150 rupees every month. And now we don't mind paying 2,000 rupees or 12,000 rupees every month. Why? Because the load factor has basically increased. So we started using electricity in more ways than we could ever imagine in those old days. So today we know gas is being used primarily as a cooking fuel, but there will be more ways to come up which CGDs are going to warm up to and which consumers are going to accept in the run. So they could be using like gas geysers, they could be using like gas air conditioners, they could be using for complete heating facilities as being used in the Western world. So gas today is probably at the bottom of the pyramid of usage. So we are using the bare minimum that we want to use for just cooking. But this usage is going to grow exponentially, and that is where when today's solution will have to play a bigger role in the tomorrows to come. So that is where the CGDs today need to be more informative about selecting the right solution for smart metering and how to handle the data that is being generated during the smart metering process. So one, we focus on a dashboard model where we don't have a meter in focus. So we are meter agnostic to say. So any brand of meter, any kind of meter, or any technology of communication of meter can be brought into the dashboard. Then we can cater to any kind of billing scenarios. It could be prepaid, it could be postpaid. So again, we don't care how you are going to associate the contract with your customers. Third, we don't care about the technology of network. So it could be over LoRaWAN, it could be over LoRa, it could be over RF, GPRS, commercial meters, industrial meters, or domestic. We can bring all the data into one single dashboard. So here is the dashboard solution that we are making. And we are also including entry to other heading systems, wherein the utility could have pipeline monitoring systems. They could have their foot force, like the security forces which are manning the pipeline systems, or the grid valves, or the main gas stations. All that data could be brought into the dashboard. And therein the consumer can be attached as the final product, wherein the billing, the customer survey, the customer relationship, and the customer delight can be associated with each transaction that the utility can do here. So this is the managed cloud that we have built up, and now currently it's running currently with one of the CGDs, IGL, in around 4 cities, Delhi, Rewari, and Karnal and Muzaffarnagar, wherein we are bringing out data from prepaid meters, postpaid meters, and walk-by meters as well, wherein the data is coming to the cloud, and basically we are able to attach them to each consumer index. We are able to do consumer surveys, and those consumer surveys can get readily associated using mobile apps. So you have got GPS tagging, you have got things like photographs of the meters, so you can actually see what usage the consumer is having. and brought to a single one. And then we are sharing this data across the platform. So it is not just like we are using the data, but IGL is using the data, their contractors are using the data, the control rooms are using the same data. So it's the single data set which is being extrapolated by all the people in the chain. So that makes the data more user friendly. It allows people to interact on a single platform and without duplication, any of the duplication effort. So this is how we have resolved the challenges here. So basically we can select any of the GA from the drop down. So it's because it's a single platform, so we can have more than one city, more than one GA into our platform, and we can actually see the progress indicators about each stage of the metering process. So whether the meter has been acquired, if acquired, issued to the contractor, after issuance, hanged at the customer door, and fourth, whether the gas flow has been done or not. So each stage is very, very readily and online manner audited and available at all times. Second, any kind of, so we can bring out all the kinds of meter data into our platform. So not only one meter, but any kind of like AMR or prepaid, all the meters can be brought on the same platform. Third is the pendency. So this is one of the big things right now, wherein you have been allocated a lot of meters, but there is a pending work that is going to be done. So we are now tracking pending work also with the help of mobile apps using field, which Field Force is using. So we can track where is the meter, has it been hanged or not, has it been actually converted into gas process or not, and whether the billing is happening or not. So each pending stage is audited and available as a transparent interface between us and the CGD. So, and then the dashboard gives analytics. So this is the best part of the story, where CGD can see the revenue growth, the customer growth, the average gas consumption growth. Each of the parameters or the KPIs of your business are available online way, and you can audit them week over week, month over month, as per the data frequency that is applicable to the business. So here, the feature that we are trying to push after a year of usage would be gas projection. So wherein gas nomination can happen using this data. So you would actually see what your consumers in a particular area, let us say of Karnal, sector 6, used in Deepavali days in 2020, and you can project the gas usage in the 2021. So that kind of data analytics has been brought in, which can give you forecast also and past usage as well. So benefits of dashboards are enormous, but some points which we have brought to the notice of you is like it's a single view system for the entire operations. So right now we are showing metering, but it can be extended to pipelines, it can be extended to valves, compressors. All the data can be brought and displayed in a single grid format. Then consolidation of operations across contractors. So CGD has come a long way from being a contractor-driven business to a systems integration play. So here we are trying to consolidate all that play into one single dashboard. So again, it becomes the holistic thing. It can be integrated backwards with ERP solutions like SAP or Oracle. So it can be backwardly integrated to them. So your billing side and those things remain as they are, but the data remains single data. So that is the uniqueness. So you have a dashboard and you have a backend which is working in perfect tandem. And then we have got a GIS-based view of all the consumers. So because we are doing GIS indexing, so everything is based on GIS. So this is a small presentation I would like to say, and any questions you can ask right now.
How economical it is, what is the exact break-even you would want to get this done?
So this is right. So if I understand you correctly, you are asking about the cost-benefit analysis kind of thing. Yeah. So the good thing is that we have already made it as a SaaS offering, SaaS Bahu offering. So therein you can have a we can give you a minimum so you can start with 1 million consumers or 2 million consumers. We are ready to accommodate those numbers, and we can have a very very aggressive kind of pricing on that model. So currently. Basically, the good thing is that it includes the communication in some cases, it includes the cloud hosting part, and it also includes the dashboard. So it's a very, very, aggressive model of that.
1 million is a magic figure. I'm talking one who will start the business and who will go right from smart meter.
Sir.
1 million is having those all mechanical.
Sir.
What benefit? How many numbers are beneficial?
Actually,
So
his point is, suppose any new CGD is going to start with 10,000 or 5,000 or 1,000 connection. So after, suppose they are investing the amount, after how much year the amount will be returned back? Or any cost economics for the new GA, new customers? So do you have any economics for that? Then you can suggest how the new customer can be attached.
So it's a sir, CGD business is a long-term contract because it is not that you invested one time into this. So I'm saying it is not a one-time investment. Rather, I'm saying it is a smaller investment done over a period of time. So your return is immediate, I would say. So because in 1 month, if you are able to bill the consumer, you get the return in each month only. And I'm not charging you for the whole 10 years in one go. So the way we have done is we have developed it and given to you as a ready to work offering. So therein you don't have to put money upfront. You have to just go along. So every month if you're getting your bills paid, then you're good.
No, he is comparing with the conventional meter. Like conventional meter cost is around 1,000 or 900.
Sir, ये metering पे हम लोग गए नहीं ना. So we are not talking of meters anymore. We are talking about a dashboard solution which can be married to any meter. No, sir. Even mechanical. Even mechanical.
He is just saying the software part, whatever he has developed, and any conventional meter can also be used this. Like
So-
you can take the photograph and attach with the.
So we have a OCR based technology. We have got a lot of technology. So metering you can be independent of. So you can just buy meters and it will be ready to integrate.
And we in IGL we are trying this with the integration of different variety of meters like Itron, Elester, and other, because we have different type of variety. So we have the indigenous solution. Then we can integrate with any meter, and even the manual meter also customer can take the photograph and upload it. So there is very minimum cost.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
So my next इमिनेंट स्पीकर is being invited, Mr. Tarun Katiyar.